Hello guys, this is AB from PickJordan23.here and PickJordan23.net. If you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp. And you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my Twitch channel or do more review here. And today I want to show you guys the Off-White XL Jordan 5 sale. Yeah, the new sample we got. Yeah, so first you can check the button and the side here. Okay, show you. Hot sale. Yeah, it shows. Okay, check the side. You can check the hole. Yeah, 2 holes here. And the 23 number here. Top box. Okay, yeah. The lace lock here. And the Japanese. Yeah. Another side. Check this part. And turn to the back. The back of shoes here. Nike Air. And the button, check the button. Also, yeah, a zip tie here. And okay, the insole. Show you the insole. And also comes the extra lace, the black and the red, and the paper. The shoes box here. The label. Okay, so a short review for Off-White XL Jordan 5 sale. If you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp. And this is AB. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.